Hello everyone, welcome to the WooCommerce Product Slider Pro plugin video tutorial series. Today I am going to show you how to create a product carousel slider. Make sure that WooCommerce Product Slider plugin is installed and activated into your site. You can directly click on add new, or you can click all slider and then click add new to create a new slider and give it a title. Below that you will find several configuration tabs to create and customize your product carousel slider. Go to template settings and select layout preset as slider, which is already selected. Set the responsive column value as you like. Then either you can create a custom template or you can go for pre-made templates. There are 28 pre-made templates available with unique designs. Check them out in the plugin demo page. Each of the pre-made templates has a few customization properties which will be visible once you click on them. Let's select theme 2 and you can see two options added named info background and border. So if I click show preview, and this is the default template to style. Now go back and change the color to this one and update the preview. You can see the info background color has been changed. Let's see another template. Select template 13 and you can see info background, info hover background, overlay background and border options added for theme 13. As I already set the info background color, let's change the info background hover color to this one and overlay background color to this one. And now if I update the preview, then you can see the info hover background color has been changed. So those are the changes you can do with the pre-made templates. For the custom template, you will have the full access to each content you want to show in the slider. Like you can set product content position for 5 different options: content padding, background color, border, box shadow and inner padding. Let me give you a quick example of the custom template. Suppose you want to create a carousel with overlay content. So select product content position as overlay and you will find a few related properties to be configured, like set content visibility, always on hover, overlay color type from solid or gradient. So configure it as you like. I am going to set content visibility as on hover. Now if I update the preview, then you can see the contents are showing in overlay, but the contents are barely visible because the both overlay and content color are dark. Let's change the content color to white from the typography. And you have to change the add to cart button color from the display options. Now if I update the preview, then you can see how beautifully the contents are showing. If you want, you can set an inner padding as well from the template settings. Let's set an inner padding to 15 pixel each. And update the preview. So a 15 pixel inner padding is showing around the product item. In this way, you can design your own custom template. Go to the slider control configuration tab. You can see slider mode is selected as standard, which we have already seen. Now select ticker to see a continuously sliding carousel, which is non-ticker carousel. Click update preview and this is a ticker carousel. Let's go back to standard mode and choose a carousel orientation from horizontal or vertical. Set the autoplay speed, slider speed and slide to scroll value as you like. Use this row option to create a multi-row carousel. If I change the value to 2 and turn off the infinite loop and update the preview, then you can see this is a multi-row carousel. Enable this option to slide your carousel through fade effect. Let's enable it and update preview. So this is how the fade effect works. Customize the carousel navigation and pagination related properties. For the navigation, you'll get the option to customize navigation icon, icon size, position, border, and color. By default, navigation position is set to top right. If I set it to vertically center and update the preview, then you can see the navigations are showing in the vertically center position. For the pagination, you will get the option to choose pagination type and color. Those are the dots pagination. If I change it to number and enable the sliding effect, then update the preview, then you can see this is how number pagination looks like. Now publish the shortcode and go to a page where you want to display it. Insert the shortcode using the WooProduct Slider Pro Gutenberg block. Select the shortcode and you will get a preview of it. Now publish the page and view it. You can see how beautifully a product carousel is showing in the web pages. That's a wrap of this video. In the next video, I'll come up with another attractive feature of the plugin. Until then, take care.